Are you thinking about hitting the road in an RV? While it offers freedom and adventure, there are some important downsides to consider before making the leap. Here, we explore the top 4 challenges you may face when living or traveling in an RV. Number 1 is cost, purchase and maintenance. RVs can be a significant financial commitment, often costing multiple thousands of dollars. In addition to the initial purchase price, ongoing costs include maintenance, repairs, insurance, and fuel. The fuel efficiency of RVs is lower than standard vehicles, of course, leading to higher fuel expenses, especially on long trips. Also in the cost category are campground fees. Staying at campgrounds can also add to your expenses, and those vary widely, ranging from $25 to $100 a night, depending on location and amenities. Number 2 is long repair times. Availability of services. RV repairs can take a long time, often stretching into weeks or months. Searching online for, quote, RV repairs take a long time, unquote, will reveal a wealth of discussions and horror stories. This issue has only been worsening over the past 5 years, leaving many RVers without a home during repairs. This leads to significant financial stress. Impact on lifestyle. Being without your RV can disrupt your plans and lifestyle, making it essential to consider how you will manage living arrangements and finances during repair periods. Finding alternative accommodations can be costly and inconvenient, adding another layer of stress to RV living. Number 3 is size and maneuverability. Driving challenges. RVs are much larger and heavier than standard vehicles, making them more challenging to drive, especially in urban areas or on narrow roads. Since many parking lots aren't designed for large vehicles, parking can be a significant hassle. Turning radius. The turning radius of an RV is also larger, which means you need to plan your routes carefully to avoid getting stuck or having to make complicated maneuvers. Number 4 is limited space. Living conditions. Despite their size, RVs can feel cramped, especially when traveling with multiple people. The living area, kitchen and bathroom are, of course, smaller than what you would find in a traditional home, which can lead to discomfort during extended trips. And storage issues. Space for personal belongings is limited, necessitating careful packing and organization. This can be particularly challenging for families or those who enjoy bringing along outdoor gear like me. These factors can significantly impact the RV experience, so it's essential to weigh them against the benefits of RV travel and living, which we'll explore in our next video. See you then.